Hey guys, it is Gabby.
And Jessica.
Did you forget your name?
I remember, it came back to me.
Oh, okay, sorry, good. Welcome back to Queen Anna Style Sessions. This week, we are going to show you some effortless summer looks. I am so excited about this.
Me too.
Some warm weather, some dresses.
Me too.
Yeah. Some sandals. Hallelujah.
Yes.
All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and kick it off right now. First look is a slip dress style, and we layered a white blouse over it. This slip dress is by Maud Reef. It's in this beautiful blush color. I think this blush color is perfect for year-round wear. The straps are adjustable in the back, so you can kind of tie them some different ways. So we actually tied it to cinch in the waist. Some people say that slip dresses are a little
shapeless.
Shapeless. Mm-hmm. So we tied it around the waist so you can get some definition, which is great. Tying the blouse over it. This blouse, is by Britt Sissick and has some really pretty embroidery detail on it, even around the cuff area.
And a subtle stripe, like a subtle pretty stripe here too.
Yeah, I really like this blouse, and just pairing it with a dress over it. It's great for like beach wear, just like everyday weekend wear where you're still very dressed up, but you're comfortable and effortless. And then we just paired it with our top bag, slim mini envelope bag. Which is mainly a clutch, but it does come with a crossbody, so we attached the straps. This hat doesn't want to stay. It's all good. The crossbody, so it's easy for summer wear. And then of course, finishing off it with a neckerchief. This one has all the colors, it just kind of ties the whole look together around it, that you can easily just pull off your bag and wear it as a mask, which is awesome. And then, of course, a hat to finish it off. Cover yourself from those rays.
100% straw, made in Panama.
And I like the different color tones with
colors
it.
and the headband. So you can mix the browns, and then it goes in perfectly with the shoe.
And then tying that Soulsana crocodile mule thick heel, perfect for summer. Like this look right here, I'm obsessed with this right now.
Me too. That's it.
That's
you open up the dictionary definition of summer, you get this.
I just love this. This is so awesome.
I like that one a lot. So the next one we have too is on this side. This one is super versatile. You can do a whole bunch of different things with every piece. So this one is one of our Taylor J pieces. It's a really soft, breathable jersey knit. So move with you, and it's really flexible in terms of
and it's a wrap skirt.
Wrap skirt.
Technically, but you can wear it as a dress.
Right. So you can wear it as a skirt. If you want to do a skirt, you can sit it lower on your waist, and you can tie this to kind of cinch it out and give some definition there. And then if you want to do it as a dress option, you can pull it up, and then you can use this as a belt then around the waist there, or you can tie it at the top.
You could do a halter neck with it.
You can do a halter neck with it.
One shoulder look with it. It's endless options.
That'd be cute, yeah. So then, if you wanted to use it as an option as a skirt, we have a couple cool camis here. This one is a Maison 100% silk, reversible top.
I love this cami.
Me too.
It's
so 2-in-1, and then so you'll obviously only see one of the sides when you're wearing it, but either one, black, you can do anything. So it works perfectly with the skirt. Blouse it up over the top of the skirt. We have another option here too. This is another Maison silk tank. A little bit thicker on the strap there than the previous one, but still the same amazing feel. You can do the same thing, and this you can wear over and over. Denim with this, different skirt with this. You can do this over and over again.
So what if I wanted to cover up my shoulders? Is there another way that I can wear that too?
You got it
Oh,
here.
yes.
Cover up your shoulders. This is an option that we thought of too, just because, especially if you're someone who's working from home or someone who needs the outfit from the waist up, where that's where the attention is going to be. This is another a good option here, and you can do just a cropped Concomine blazer here. It has a really nice texture to it as well. A little shorter lapel too.
These are 3/4 sleeves.
3/4 length sleeve, and then it would hit right where the waist would come of the skirt. So
this is so crisp.
Really clean, really summer. You get summer with white.
Yeah.
Just clean white gives you summer. So with that look too, we've got this flat shoe. This is new. It's brand new from Atelier.
This one.
Yeah, this one is this turquoise. This is summer to a T as well. This color, and then it's got this really cool, almost braiding detail throughout. then a padded sole too, so there's comfort there. Otherwise, it's not completely flat, so you're off the ground a little bit.
But it's easy just to kind of slip on, and something that you can wear around the house, or if you do go outside, run errands in it.
Or
Easy.
keep by the door, this is the keep by the door shoe.
Yep.
And then works really well just with the hem of this. Just the fact that it's any maxi style, just brushes right over the top of the sandal, but you still see the color.
All right, so let's talk about how we accessorize these two looks.
Yeah.
So definitely something that I'm loving. So with this like cami, I love how you get 2 for 1. Something about 2 for 1, it just makes me feel like I'm getting multiple uses out of it.
Yeah.
So this is why I really wanted to bring up these Jana Connor earrings. So these are, like looking at it, it just looks like a statement earring. But really what it is the hoops that are at the top of both of these, they're removable from
This little embellishment here.
the embellishment at the bottom. Yeah.
So you can just slip this off, and then you just got a simple gold hoop.
You have a simple gold hoop, and then all you have to do is when you want to dress it up, add the more sparkly part back onto the hoop, and then you have a whole different earring. So you're getting 2 earrings for 1 for these earrings.
For these as well.
And so we have this like chandelier style, and then more of like I don't know,
It's
how
got
would
like
you?
a gold detail around the outside of it, but still the same. Like you get the glistening still.
Yeah, I like it. But so like this is look really cute with this.
Either or, yeah. Gold
Or if you
detail.
did want to like take off this blouse right here, I don't know, maybe you're going out to dinner, on a patio, you know. Oh, there we go.
And then you have a different look. But still, like I think it's so important that we tied the waist there to give it some shape, but then doing a
That
more
is
like
so
evening
fun.
earring with it.
And
It
it's
makes
just
it
so
light.
it's easy, effortless, ready and go. Love that. All right, what are some other accessories that we got?
So we also have, I think sunglasses are one of the most important things that you need throughout the summer with any of
Yes.
these options, really. So we have a couple of our established eyewear ones here, and they have almost, I think, pretty much all of them have like this one has like a cool cat eye detail to it.
Ooh, I like these ones.
This one almost reminds you of the aviator shade too, where it has like a little metallic detail at the top, but still like the tortoise frame. So these are, they're all just like slightly tinted. So just a summertime staple, really.
I like those.
Sunglasses.
And then another super easy accessory just to add some kind of sparkle to your everyday look is I like the cuff bangle detail like bracelets.
Yeah.
So these are ones by Stella Gray. These are gold
Hammered cuffs.
hammered cuffs. They're easy for just layering. You could also just wear one of them and it would just be like a subtle sparkle, kind of like what I'm wearing today. Or like some that had mixing the gold and the silver, detailing, but it's all one bracelet. It's not all separate ones, but it looks like separate ones. But yeah, those are just like some super easy ones that you could easily pair with this one since this is quarter sleeves. Yeah. All right.
So on to the next look.
Next look. So we got a blouse, white denim, and the amazing Ta bag convertible bag.
bag.
This bag is amazing, you guys. If you haven't caught our how to accessorize
your summer look.
summer look, we went through and talked about how this bag transforms from a crossbody to just like a short little bag to a clutch to a tote bag and even into a backpack.
That's our favorite.
That's our
backpack
favorite.
we
The
like.
backpack is so awesome. So
Yeah.
it's like literally the perfect. It's like the only bag you'll need this summer. Ultimately,
It does it all.
It does it all. And we did have it in black, but now we have it in black and this camel color. So exciting.
Handcrafted leather, and it's just like supple and feels really nice.
Yes, it's so nice. But so, like I said, this is the perfect bag for summer. But how you how you pair it with something. So we have this Amanda Uprichard mint blouse. It's a pop of color. It's really rich. It's the silky material and it has these really cool like utility pockets up in the front. And then pair it back with some denim. And I like this able denim so much because it's super, super stretchy and it's like the perfect high-waisted fit too. And it's in this like creamy color too. So you can pair some other whites with it and it'll kind of make it look a little bit more creamy.
Or even like replace this as a regular denim for summer, just because it's the light color and gives it such a more warm weather feel. So this is a cool option for that, but the colors look amazing together.
So this is like great for like working from home where you need to look a little bit dressier up on top, but you want to do it down. You can also do this for like dinners out.
And the flexibility of cuffing the hem too, if you wanted to have more of a capri hem, and then a sandal, whichever thing you pair with it.
And then of course styling and adding another pop of color with a nice mule. This is like bright yellow, but I had something about pairing all of these colors together.
Nice. It's unexpected.
I love this. And
But
this
nice.
heel, it's so sturdy and it's easy to walk in. This is so cute.
Yes. So what's our last one?
Our last one?
This is one
This
of our
one is
favorites.
good.
This one's one of our favorites. So this is a more casual one. We're thinking the pant that we have. This is the Inclan Mia pant. So this is a super cute, like periwinkle, almost dusty blue shade. Pretty unique there too, and it has this curved hem at the front, but then it also there's movement. So when you walk, there's some movement there, and it makes almost a wide leg.
And I like how it does look casual, but it also looks like really dressy. Like it looks like it could easily be dressed up with even one of those like those silk camis that you showed earlier. That would super cute with that.
Yeah, and they're really comfortable. Even Gabby had mentioned too, using it as like the beach.
Oh yeah,
as a
beach
cover
up
up
too.
Just because it's a super easy elastic waist there too. And then what we decided to do was pair it with one of our new graphic tees.
These graphic tees are awesome.
They're super cool.
So cool.
And they are super soft, and they're made of organic cotton and recycled water bottles. So really cool there. And the graphic on the front, this one's has like some gold flecks in it, so you see the shimmer. This is the unbreakable one, and then we have a couple different options too. We have a
game
changer one in the same dark gray, and then we have a stand-up quotes right in like a lighter gray color as well. So super soft, and this combo I'm really here for. I just like both of them together.
But like you could easily then bring this t-shirt over and pair it back
with the
denim.
denim.
But keep like the same neckerchief and same handbag. That's super cute
so
too.
There's a lot of options there for this. And then what we did was, like Gabby mentioned, that neckerchief on here, just on around the neck. This is the Kent silk one, and then it's really pretty just with the two colors that we paired there.
I like the color blocking with that.
Color blocking is pretty, and then this you can obviously pull up and just use as a mask. So you're all set there. And then one of our other favorite bags is the Top Bags belt bag.
Another bag that's perfect for summer.
Perfect for summer because we're thinking, you go out for a walk, you can put it on your waist. Bike ride, you can put it on your waist. And it works just like a belt here, adjustable. It has a couple pockets, so super functional too.
A couple of pockets.
Oh,
it has so many pockets.
It's got a lot. We got a lot of pockets here, super functional. Hook your keys here, and then you can even do it across your chest or however you want to wear it. But it pairs back almost perfectly with that. And then the shoe that we picked with this is the United Nude. This is this platform we really like just because there's just elevates you, but it's not like a heel, so there's no uneven there. It's just like height.
It's a comfortable sandal to wear as you're walking around, or if you're walking the dog, or walking to and from things. This is a really great sandal to have.
It's comfortable, but then it's really cute too.
Plus, like, this is gonna make someone stop on the sidewalk, I feel like, and be like, "Where did you get your shoes?" Like, those are amazing.
And with the metallic detail is really unique. And this, I'm thinking with the white denim would be.
Yeah. But even just like this outfit all together, that would be cute too. I love that.
That's a super
good idea.
And then we're thinking just too, since here you have like your arms out. With the short sleeve shirt or with any other like summer tee that you're wearing, it's really cool to pair just a couple bangles with it. Gabby mentioned too, like the hammered ones, and these are just some worn ones.
Oh, and these are probably lighter weight too.
Super light.
Yeah, these are lightweight.
Super light, and then I like that we have a mix of like black in there, and the geometric shapes are super cool.
Those are different.
Cool. And then this other cuff is super pretty too. It's a collection by Joya Cuff. It has some freshwater pearls and some other gemstones in it. And just like perfect for wrist embellishment, or if you have like you want to wear it alongside a watch or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
This is just a really
It's just a nice addition to your wrist.
Your wrist.
All right, guys. Well, those are our effortless summer looks. Everywhere from a little bit dressy, work from home, and a little bit more casual weekend wear. So glad that you joined us for another Queen Anna style session. Just so you know, if you haven't heard already, we are having buy one get one 50% off
On the shoes. And this is what we need. So get your sandals. This is the time to get your sandals.
Or just like a nice mule that you would wear for work. You know, when we do go back to a little bit more of a regular lifestyle, you know, it's time. It's time to look at some shoes.
Get your pedicure.
Get your pedicure.
Sandals.
Yes. And then also we are still having shopping appointments too. So if you're interested in booking one with Jessica or myself or another Queen Anna stylist, definitely go to our Facebook page. Depending on where you're watching this video right now, you can either go to the link in our bio or go to the services tab on Facebook and book a Queen Anna shopping appointment, and we'll give you the full Queen Anna treatment.
Look. Yes.
Summer looks. But that's all we got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. And shop your effortless summer looks next time you're in Queen Anna House of Fashion. So we'll see you guys next time.